Hello everyone, my name is Angelica Sardido and I will be continuing to report the elements of SCM or supply chain management. First is the concurrent engineering. Product design and development is one of the most effective tools for an organization to differentiate itself from its competitors. Concurrent engineering is also known as simultaneous engineering. It is a method of designing and developing products in which several stages run simultaneously rather than consecutively. And it decreases product development time and also the time market. And concurrent engineering is also a long term business strategy with long term benefits to business. Next is extended ERP. It refers to the modules that help support a business's external operation and extend the functionality of core enterprise resource planning. Companies use enterprise resource planning systems to assist management with decision making as well as to automate common business process to save the company's time and money. Extended ERP focuses on external operations to make it easier to manage relationships with customers, suppliers, transporters, and other parties. A common extended ERP modules business might use those include of supply chain management, business intelligence, e-commerce, and customer relationship management. The last one is integrated supply planning. First is supplier rationalization. Firm may have more suppliers that it may actually need. Supplier rationalization is also known as supply-based reduction. It is a process of shrinking the supply base by reducing the number of active suppliers. The primary agenda of supply rationalization is to streamline the organization's spend to fewer suppliers and drive better value from those relationships. Next is a vendor managed inventory, where inventory is managed by the vendor instead of the consuming party. It is a business model where the buyer of a product provides information to the vendor of that product, and the vendor takes full responsibility to maintain an agreed inventory of the material. And it is usually the buyer's consumption location. The last is a consignment process model of supplier managed inventory. A consignment process is where products are stored at the customer's location, but the owner of the product is still the company. A customer stores the consignment stock at their own warehouse, where the customer can consume the product from their warehouse at any time, and customer bailed for product for quantity consumes. So this is the this is the end of my report, the elements of SCM. Thank you.